Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you 5 mistakes that slow you down in Excel. Alright, if you use Excel regularly, there is a good chance you are making mistakes that slow you down. In this video I'll show you 5 common Excel mistakes and what you need to do instead. Stick around to the end because the last mistake could be the one that is causing you hours of extra work. All right, so the first mistake we are going to be looking at today is autofill. People make mistake a lot with autofill. All right, so let's say you are required to type 1 to 100. Some people will still be typing like this in this 21st century. All right, so let me show you a quick way to do that. Just locate this dot in your cell and drag it down. So let's say you are asked to list of months. So these are simple thing in Excel, but some people don't know. As you can see, that's it. So another one is, let's say you are required to give days of the week. You can drag it down. So let's say you have list of product 1. You understand? Product 1. So you have product 1, product 2, product 3, up to 25. All right, so those are the things that you can do in Excel. All right, so let's say you are asked to match these two together. So some people, they might not know how to do it. So to do that, just enter your equal sign, put this, then use and to join it together and drag it there. So that is how to do all this. So you need to be using autofill a lot in Excel, and you need to locate this dots, double click on it and drag it down. So that is how to do this in Excel. So the next mistake that people do in Excel is that they don't use keyboard shortcuts a lot. So you need to know how to use keyboard shortcuts. For everything in Excel, there is a shortcut. All right. For everything in Excel, there is a shortcut. So let's say we want to sort these data sets. That's week, product, month. So let's just put it this way. Let's say you want to sort it. So some people will go on and go to sort and filter and click on filter. Can you see? People do this. I want to show you the quickest way to do this. So the shortcut for this is Ctrl+Shift+L. Can you see? Type Ctrl+Shift+L again. It's going to take that drop down away, that filter button away. Do Ctrl+Shift+L. Can you see? So you can easily sort or filter now. So another thing I need to show you about this keyboard shortcut is that button beside your space bar, the Alt, A-L-T. All right, click on it. So if you want to go on, you type H. If you want to insert, you type N. If you want to go to formula or data, for data you type A. So in this case we are going on. So I'm typing H now. So what do I want to do? Let's say I want to delete this row. So let me just click D, which is this. Let me click D. So if I want to delete sheet row, I just press R. Can you see that row has been deleted? So just memorize all those keys. It will be faster. So in this case, new case, I want to give all borders to this data set. So let me click Alt H B A. Can you see how fast it is? Let me do it again. Ctrl A, Alt H B A. Very fast. Let me do it again. Ctrl A to select all, then Alt H B A. Can you see how fast it is? If you want to be working like a professional, you need to know all these keyboard shortcuts. All right. So the next thing we want to be talking about is merging cells instead of using center across. So let's say we have a long cell here, a long text here, and there's nothing here, right? So people might want to merge this cell. Let me merge it. So if you merge this cell in this case, it will make sorting and filtering, it will make it difficult or even impossible. Let's try and sort this table and see what happens. So I'm trying to sort this table. Can you see to this, all the merged cells need to be the same size. So you cannot sort this way. So to do this, let me undo. So we have this, we have this. So to do this, the way out is to use, I don't know how to call it. We call it center across section. Center across section. So to do this, do control one, go to alignment, click on text alignment, horizontal. So just select center across section. So we're clicking on this and let's press OK. Center across section. Center across section. Can you see? So so it makes your whatever you have inside your cell spill into the next cell, and it's not going to affect your filtering or sorting. Can you see it now? It's not affecting anything. I don't know. So that is it. Center across section. So the next mistake that people make while using Microsoft Excel day to day is VLOOKUP instead of index match. VLOOKUP is good, VLOOKUP is nice, but index match is the best. Index match is the best. So let's say we are looking for this number on this table, this unit price. It might be difficult for us to get it while using VLOOKUP. So let me do this. Let me select this so that our job will be easier. All right. So let me select this like this. Let me select this like this. So we are looking for this. Let me give you this dot. This is what we are looking for. Let me give you another color. So this is what we are looking for. Yeah. So to do that, we are going to be needing, let's use index match. We are going to be making use of this one here, and this one here. All these ranges and these ranges too. I'm going to be making use of it. That's why I give them color so that you will be able to pick them out. So this one is, so we are going to be having order ID, order ID. So the order ID, let's say it is this. This is the order ID. So our column is in the unit price. So I say I just put unit price there, unit price. So let's say this is our column. Don't know what else to call it. So now I want to use index match function. So index. So the first thing you need to do is to select from here. It's quite simple. That's the first thing you need to do. Select the inside of your data set without the other ID and the header. So comma. The next thing is to do match. So what are we looking for? We're looking for order number. This is our order number, comma. So what's our lookup array? Our order number is inside there. Can you see? Comma. Exact match is 0. Let's close it. Comma again. Let's do another match. We're looking for unit price. So this is unit price. Let's select this unit price. Inside, where is our unit price? Inside this one. So I give it a color. Comma, exact match is 0. Close it, enter. So can you see it now? So the other number, the unit price for this other number is 17,000. I mean, it's 1,726. So if you want to get the product for this other number, let's just put product here. So the product for this other number is laptop. So the customer for this other number, let's put customer name here. So the customer name is Cody Jones. Why the category is category. Where the category is networking. All right. So that is that concerning the index match. Another thing, another mistake people make in Excel is not using table. So let's make use of table often while we're working with Excel. So to create a table, do Ctrl T. Your table has header, click OK. All right, so when you want to enter the next order, let's say this is the next order, press enter. It's going to reflect. Your table will enlarge. On another one. So that is it for you. You can design your table here. You can give your table a name, order table. So that's it. You can remove duplicates. You can convert it back to range. You can summarize it with pivot table. You can do a lot of things. You can change the design of your table. What's wrong? I don't know what's wrong with that. So that is that. Another thing I want to show you in Excel about shortcut is that, let's say you have something like this. So the quickest way to adjust this is to select all, which is Control A, then do Control minus to select all the columns. Control space. Let me do it again. First thing is to select all, then Control space, then this line, double click on it. It will expand. You understand? So that is it. So another one is, let's say you have your rows matched up like this, or some are longer, some are like this. So the way you need to adjust this is either you select Control A and do Shift space, or you select like this and do Shift space. After doing that, locate this line between two numbers, between the two row numbers, and double click on it. So it's going to adjust it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to see you next time. Love you all.